Hey everyone, we got a really nice 1969 Camaro SS Convertible here. Beautiful color on this car, nice white interior. Sounds healthy. It's got a ZZ 502 big block in it. When the car came to us, had a lot of nice upgrades done to it, but it had some issues. There were definitely some issues with the engine. The camshaft was wiped, lifters were tick-tacking like crazy, and the transmission, which is a 700R4 overdrive automatic, was basically blown up. So we ironed that out, rebuilt the transmission, put a cam in the engine, did a light rebuild on the engine, new roller rockers. It's running sweet. So much power, so much torque. It also had fuel injection on it, Holley Sniper. It wasn't wired correctly and it had some issues with it. And it was going to cost more to diagnose it and straighten it out than to just replace it with a carburetor, which is what the customer preferred. Show you under the hood real quick. Just beautiful, classic looking. Had to get the extra tall valve covers to clear the rockers. But it's just running really sweet. Heck of a fun car to drive. Customer's really going to love it. Hasn't really been able to drive it and enjoy it, but I think after what we've done and got it all sorted out, I think he's going to be very happy. I know I would be. Just a really nice looking, sounding driving car. Hope you all enjoy.